June live cattle were sharply higher today, posting a new fresh contract high. This bull market continues to roll along. It is, however, getting really rather overbought at this point, but that was not a factor here today as the market did close up near highs, and again, those new fresh contract highs. We had our weekly export sales report, which we normally do on Thursdays. They were down from last week at 10,200 metric tons. That's 29% lower than what we saw the previous week, and it's 40% lower from the previous 4-week average. So our export sales of beef have slowed down given these higher prices that we have both in cash cattle, but also in boxed beef prices. But as we say quite often, that the cattle is mostly a domestic market. And speaking of boxed beef prices, they continue to rise somewhat counter-seasonally for various reasons. As do cash cattle prices, and packers' margins have been under pressure and are a bit in the red. So it makes us wonder if cash cattle do still have room to go higher or not. But this has been the case for the last couple of weeks, and they have continued to advance. So we're watching that fairly closely. Another thing that the market will be watching closely is the cattle on feed report, which is due out on Friday. The estimates for on feed are at 98.2% year over year. For placements, that 85.6% year over year, and for marketed at 91.8% year over year. That big number there being the placements number, looking for a sharply lower number because of a disruption of animals coming over the border from Mexico and also weather deterrence. But that would be the bullish portion of the report if it comes to fruition. So stay tuned, everybody, and you stay safe.